I told you I'd keep you updated on the 3-Eye Atlas, and here's the latest. This interstellar visitor just got a whole lot stranger. We're talking about an object with no traditional comet trail, possible water detection at impossible distances, and now Avi Loeb is saying it could be a nuclear-powered alien spacecraft. Let's get into the details and who's saying what, because the latest findings are forcing scientists to question everything they thought they knew about this 7-mile wide cosmic intruder. As always, you can find the sources in my detailed articles at ufonews.co, along with in the description box below. Hey ufologers, I'm Cristina Gomez, and welcome to this episode of UFO News Updates.
What if an interstellar object whirling through our solar system is actually a nuclear-powered spacecraft sent by aliens to test how humans respond? That's what a noted astrophysicist believes might be the case, and he says an image from the Hubble telescope backs him up.
Here's some quick background just in case you aren't following the story or forgot. The 3-Eye Atlas was discovered on July 1st, 2025 by NASA's Atlas telescope system in Chile. It's officially the third confirmed interstellar object to visit our solar system, following the famous Oumuamua in 2017 and the comet Borisov in 2019. But this one is different, dramatically different. Unlike its predecessors, the 3-Eye Atlas has an orbital eccentricity of 6.141. making it the most hyperbolic trajectory ever recorded, far exceeding Oumuamua's 1.2 and Borisov's 3.4. At 130,000 miles per hour, it's moving so fast that our sun's gravity cannot capture it. According to Keith Cowing's research from August 7, 2025, scientists using NASA's Swift Observatory made a groundbreaking discovery. They detected water activity in the 3-Eye Atlas at 3.51 astronomical units from the sun, producing 40 kilograms of water per second. And this places it among the rare few comets showing activity beyond the 3 astronomical units, where water ice sublimation is typically inefficient.
First, I should say that if the light that we observe from this object is reflection of sunlight, its size needs to be bigger than Manhattan Island, 20 kilometers or so. And there isn't enough rocky material in interstellar space to deliver a rock of that size earlier than 10,000 years from now. So the question is, what is it?
But Avi Loeb isn't buying the natural explanation. His latest theory? The 3-Eye Atlas could be a nuclear-powered alien spacecraft. In his recent paper, he argues that the object's trajectory allows for a clandestine reverse solar Oberth maneuver, essentially using the sun's gravity to break and potentially stay bound to our solar system. Keep that in mind because it will be relevant a little bit later.
The trajectory itself was chosen to be such that this object will pass close to Mars, Venus, and Jupiter. The chance of that happening, the timing of its arrival is perfect for that, with a likelihood of 1 in 20,000. And so I'm just saying we should observe it. It doesn't look like it's a random occurrence. The size, the trajectory, the fact that it comes so close to 3 planets in our solar system, and actually it comes closest to the sun on October 29th.
The trajectory has a probability of less than 0.2% of occurring naturally, with perfect timing to pass close to multiple planets at a likelihood of 1 in 20,000. And Avi Loeb points out that if the 3-Eye Atlas generates its own light rather than reflecting sunlight, it could be much smaller than the 20-kilometer estimate, making its arrival strategically nearly impossible. But here's what I want to know from you. Do you think the 1 in 20,000 trajectory odds are suspicious enough to consider non-human origins? Or is this just an incredibly cosmic coincidence? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. The Hubble Space Telescope captured incredible images on July 21st, 2025, and the images reveal a teardrop-shaped cloud of dust with streams pointing away from the sun, indicating clear cometary activity at 3.8 astronomical units. However, the water detection findings add complexity to the entire story. The Swift Observatory data shows that over 20% of the 3I Atlas's surface must be active to produce the observed water vapor, significantly higher than typical solar system comets. Even more intriguing, the detection of OH emissions without corresponding CN detection is unusual and may reflect differences in volatile inventory compared to typical comets. NASA's David Jewett, who led the Hubble analysis, notes that tracking the object is like glimpsing a rifle bullet for 1,000th of a second, emphasizing how extraordinary it is to capture detailed images of something moving at such extreme speeds. ESA scientists have also contributed significant observations. The 3I Atlas is approximately 670 million kilometers from the Sun and will make its closest approach in late October of 2025, passing just inside Mars's orbit. And the object possesses no threat to Earth, maintaining a safe distance of over 240 million kilometers. Geophysicist Stefan Burns has documented compelling correlations between the 3I Atlas's approach and solar activity. On August 20th, 2025, massive solar eruptions occurred in the direction of the 3I Atlas and Mars. Take a listen to this.
On 3I Atlas is that it was going to cause disruptions to the electromagnetic forces operating within our solar system, and the closer it gets, the more ionized and plasmified it becomes, the stronger this effect is going to be. Right now it's only August 20th and we're already seeing these spectacular eruptions in the direction of 3I Atlas. So if we examine this from an energy, information, and consciousness perspective, 3I Atlas is already in contact with the Sun, and the two are working together in unique, interesting ways that are very likely beyond our comprehension. I think that 3I Atlas, due to its plasma disruptive dynamics in the inner solar system, is what is contributing to and or perhaps triggering these sort of solar outburst events. And so as it gets closer and closer to the Sun, expect solar activity to continue to increase. It may not be conventional, as in like we have a big solar flare and then a coronal mass ejection. It may be things like this, where you get a sudden plasma filament to erupt in spectacular fashion that no one was really forecasting.
Stefan predicts increased solar activity as the 3I Atlas approaches its October 29th perihelion, with potential Earth impact with the associated coronal mass ejection reach around Halloween. And the combination of water activity, unusual trajectory, and potential solar system effects makes the 3I Atlas one of the most scientifically significant objects of our time. As more data emerges from the JWST observations and Mars reconnaissance missions, we may finally get answers. And keep in mind, there is also a live stream of the object on the YouTube channel WorldCam. That link is in the description box below. What aspect of the 3I Atlas interests you the most? The water detection, the trajectory anomalies, or the potential solar activity connection? And do you think we'll discover something that challenges our understanding of interstellar objects? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Cristina Gomez, and that is it for today. I will see you next time. Be safe, and remember, keep your eyes on the skies. If you enjoyed today's show, hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the notification bell, as I do daily UFO news and updates. Fresh UAP stories, government disclosures, and breaking developments land here every single day.